Hi there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can change password in Microsoft Teams to keep your account secure. So the first thing that you will have to do is open your Teams, and then after that, you will just have to click your profile picture, and then after that, you will just have to click manage account, and then you will click security and privacy. So for some privacy concerns, I won't be able to actually show it, but what you will have to do after clicking security and privacy is change your password, and then you will just have to enter your new password. And the first one, of course, you will enter your current password and then your new password, and make sure that it is strong enough so that your account will be more secured. And then you will just have to confirm it by clicking save or submit. And make sure, by the way, again, that your new password meets security requirements, which is uppercase, lowercase, numbers, special number, special character, and all that stuffs. And yeah, I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.